Stunning in both form and function, the P40 Pro is part of Huawei's latest trio of handsets that looks to set a standard for modern flagship phones. Let's take a closer look at one of Huawei's new outing. Out of the box, you can see that the P40 Pro has an elegant look with a curved edge design. The glass back gives the phone a stunning and premium fit and finish. The back also features a rather visible camera bump that houses the UltraVision Leica quad camera setup. This camera system allows you to capture images effortlessly thanks to the 50-megapixel main shooter. The P40 Pro also has up to 5 times zoom and 50 times super sensing zoom. Up front, the device features a dual front camera and a 1200 by 2600 display with a fast 90Hz refresh rate. Its speed perfectly complements its cutting-edge Kirin 995G chipset with EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10. The P40 Pro comes with a USB Type-C cable, a pair of earphones, and a power brick out of the box. The Huawei P40 Pro retails for 50,990 pesos.